So, good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss fifth unit of manufacturing process one for this SFP PU 2024 pattern. AC mechanical manufacturing process. This is a fourth semester subject. So, in that fifth unit, that is finishing and fine finishing. Okay. So in this we will discuss what are the grinding processes, what different types of grinding process, what is meant by grinding wheel, then abrasives, type of abrasives, grinding wheel materials, then some fine finishing processes like lapping, honing. Okay, so let's start with this grinding process. Basic operation is this grinding. So what it means? So grinding is nothing but the fine finishing operation. Okay, fine finishing means what? Whenever we are doing any operation within a very limited tolerance like 30 micron, 40 micron, 50 micron. In that case, we are using this grinding process. Okay, this is a general bench surface grinding operation we will discuss here. So, what is grinding process? Grinding is the machining process in which a rotating abrasive wheel removes small amount of material from workpiece in the form of teeny chips to produce smooth and accurate surface finish. So most important is here surface finish. Okay. So how it look like? This is a grinding wheel. It is mounted on a shaft and it will rotate continuously. A spindle is there that will rotate that grinding wheel. So this workpiece is mounted on this magnetic check and the coolant is supplied, and this bed is there, or we can call it as an base. uh, on on that base this will be get reciprocate into the motion, so that whenever this grinding wheel will come in contact with this workpiece, it will remove the material or finish that workpiece. Okay, what are the elements of the grinding wheel? That is a grinding process, that is grinding wheel, it is a more important. Then workpiece, it is the material what we are going to uh, get finished. Then machine tools, motion, coolant or lubricant. Okay, then types of motions we have to provide that primary motion, that is the rotation of grinding wheel. So grinding wheel should be rotated. Then secondary motion, motion of the work relative to the wheel, that work to be get feed horizontally or longitudinally, so that it will come in contact with the grinding wheel. Then feed motion for continuous engagement between wheel and work. Okay, so we have to provide the continuous feed to the workpiece. Then type of grinding machines, there is a cylindrical grinding machine, you can call surface grinding, centerless grinding, internal grinding, tool and cutter grinding machine, bench grinding, gear grinding. Okay, so how it work? Like, so first we have to clamp that workpiece with magnetic check, then rotate the grinding wheel with high speed. Then table will be get reciprocate, this table will be get reciprocate. Cross feed is given for each stroke for uniform removal of material, so that feed is required, so that will be material will get removed. Then coolant is supplied to reduce heat and improve finish. Material is removed in the form of small chips. Okay, small chips are there, or no large chips will be get formed. So what are the advantage of this grinding machine or grinding process? We can produce very fine finish material, high dimensional accuracy we can achieve up to 20 micron, 30 micron, 40 microns of that tolerance or dimensional accuracy we can achieve through this grinding process. Can be used for hard materials. Okay, most of the material that are very hard, that can be not get easily machined by other tools, so it will be beneficial for that grinding, it will get machine. Then good interchangeability of the part, then suitable for finishing operations, most important, it is used for finishing operation. And application of this grinding process, what will be application, like finishing of the machine parts with very close tolerance whenever this is there, so that machine part will be get finished. Then production of flat and accurate surface, tool and cutter sharpening, mostly cutter or tools that will be have required very close tolerance, in that case it is used. Then used in automobile, aircraft, die and mold industries. Okay, this is a general grinding process. The schematic diagram is shown here. Whenever we are explaining it into the exam, we should first draw this simple diagram. Then what it means grinding process you can explain. Then what are the parts of that grinding machines you can explain. Then working principle, advantage and disadvantage, you will get that good mark in the exam. Okay, thank you.